Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fried Oreos. I love this recipe because it's very simple and fast, and it doesn't take many ingredients to make this. You're going to need Oreos. You can use any kind of Oreos you like. Next, you're going to need pancake mix, and you're going to add that to a bowl. And next you're going to add your water, and you're going to stir that around until it's nice and smooth. And if it's too thick, you can add a little bit more water to smooth it out. Next, you're going to add your egg to that mixture, and you're going to stir it to combine it. And you just stir that around until it's fully combined. Once you fully combine all your ingredients, you're going to dip your Oreos into the pancake batter. And then you want to shake off the excess batter before dipping them into the fryer. And you're going to fry those on both sides until they're golden brown. And they cook very fast. And it's faster if you add a bunch of them at the same time. And after you fry them, you can sprinkle confectioner's sugar on top. I didn't have any, so I just used regular sugar. And now you've made fried Oreos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.